everyone, so I'm here today with my beautiful model Ali, and we're going to be showing you a kind of like effortless hairstyle that you maybe want to wear to a wedding, so it's kind of elegant but not trying too hard. So let's get going. So we're starting off by just grabbing this crown area. Now I'm not going to do back comb today. I want this style to kind of look like we haven't really done much, but if you wanted a little bit of height, just put it in this area here, just a little bit of back comb. And I'm just going to pop in an elastic, and you can just kind of just give that a little bit of texture, just a little bit of depth at the back if you want to. You can do way more than this as well. So next I'm just going to grab all this hair on the right and just bring it this way, so it's come underneath that little elastic there. I'm going to leave out a chunk on this side. So when you're happy, you're just going to take this section of hair and we're going to twist it up. So we're just going to twist like this. You're going to take a long hairpin and just start to secure that into place. And then just going to grab this side piece here, using a bit of spray if you need to. Just pinning this into place, just to give it a little bit of structure. And then just pinning this into place at the top. I'm then going to take this tail. Now there's lots of different ways you could pin this. You could come this way, you could come here, you could create a bun. I'm going to recreate that little twist that we did here, so it's just going to go up and back round again. I kind of like that these hairs are being left out behind the ear. Just go in with a little bit of spray if you need to. I don't mind the fact there's a few flyaways in this style. I think it kind of adds to that, kind of not thought too hard about it. And then you can decide what bits we're going to leave out here. So I do want to leave some bits out. I don't want it to be all done. I'm just kind of taking most of that tail, not all of that tail, and just tucking it around again. So this is the finished look. I think it looks really, really nice for sort of an occasion that you're going to, but it's kind of just modern. It's not quite as done, it's not as backcombed, it's not quite as polished as you see sort of, you know, 5-10 years ago. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and I'll be back soon for another video.